Imagine waking up one day and embracing a life where money is not a source of stress, but a tool that propels you toward your dreams. As your future self smiles back at you with gratitude for the wise choices you make today, a transformation begins as staggering 70% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Despite their capabilities, many were never taught the skills to save or invest effectively. It's time for a change, and this journey of financial empowerment is where it starts. The first step in changing your financial trajectory is adopting a powerful mindset. Consider the story of someone like Sarah, previously burdened by the belief that escaping debt was impossible. By shifting her perspective from "I'll never get out of debt" to "how can I?" she laid a solid foundation for her financial future. This simple change led to budgeting, paying off $10,000 in debt, and saving for her children's future. The lesson here is clear. Your mindset dictates your financial journey. Repeat after me. I control my money. My money doesn't control me. Once your mindset is in place, focus on starting from where you are. The myth that higher income guarantees financial freedom needs debunking. Take Tom's story as an example. Earning $40 a year, he didn't see a path to savings. However, by tracking his spending and cutting out unnecessary expenses, like a $150 gym membership, he redirected $1,800 toward an index fund. Now Tom's net worth stands at over $100. Zuzu. The actionable tip here is straightforward. Track your monthly spending and identify areas to cut. Even small changes can lead to significant savings. Budgeting is another vital tool to gaining control over your finances. When Jessica crafted a zero-based budget, she began giving every dollar a purpose rather than letting it slip away. Suddenly, her money was working for her, allowing her to save for a trip to Hawaii without feeling deprived. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt payments. Adjust your approach as needed, remembering that budgeting is a roadmap to freedom. An emergency fund is equally crucial, equipping you to navigate life's unpredictabilities. Think of Mark, who avoided the depths of debt by having 3 months' worth of expenses, saved for unexpected job loss. Planning and preparing for financial hiccups creates a safety net that enables focus on new opportunities rather than dwelling in crisis. In the journey to financial freedom, investing emerges as a formidable ally. Saving alone, although crucial, rarely paves the way to significant wealth. Take Amy, for instance, a dedicated teacher who, at just 29 years old, decided to invest $300 monthly in a Roth IRA. This small yet consistent commitment has the power to transform her future. By the time she celebrates her 40th birthday, her investment will have blossomed to over $60, and as she hits 60, she could be looking at a staggering $500,000, simply from the magic of early and persistent investing. For those venturing into investing, the landscape can appear daunting. However, index funds serve as a fantastic entry point. They offer diversification and low costs, ensuring that beginners can dip their toes into the investing world with ease. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Robinhood provide user-friendly environments to start your investment journey. With patience and the benefit of compound interest, your money can grow exponentially over time, transforming your financial landscape without requiring sophisticated strategies or exhaustive market knowledge. Shifting gears, the notion of side hustles cannot be overlooked. Financial freedom is not merely about scrimping. It's about amplifying your income. Consider Mike, a graphic designer who transforms his nights into profitable ventures by selling digital art on Etsy. This side hustle yields an impressive extra $2,500 each month, allowing Mike to invest wisely and even fuel his travel dreams. Assessing your own skills opens doors to various platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where talents in writing, designing, or teaching can morph into lucrative income streams, making your financial goals more attainable. Consistency remains a cornerstone in the pursuit of financial independence. It's essential to celebrate every victory, regardless of its size. Did you just pay off a pesky credit card? Reward yourself. Saved a little? Share your achievements with encouraging friends. While motivation may ebb and flow, developing habits that resonate with your financial aspirations will yield results over time. Ultimately, financial freedom comprises more than just wealth. It embodies choice and opportunity. As you begin to track expenses and set your financial goals, remember, embarking on this journey ensures a future filled with possibilities. Embrace the challenge, and let's create your financial freedom narrative together.